Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rekha. Today I am going to show you a very easy painting using gouache for beginners. So for this painting I have used my zero round brush and 6 round brush and 5 round brush. And my sketchbook is 440 GSM sketchbook. So here I am going to take my pale purple. So let's start. So here I have taken my pale purple and I am going to apply it. So here I am going to apply the pale purple color. As background color. This is just a very simple and easy painting for beginners using gouache. If you want, you can add white to the color. So this is my new sketchbook. So let it dry. After that we can go to the next step. So I have drawn 3 butterflies and I am going to color it. So here I have mixed my deep red and sky blue. So I am going to color one of these butterflies. This purple color. I think you can see the butterflies I have drawn, simple ones. So I am going to color it with this purple color. So first I have painted the background using pale purple, and after that this is just a simple painting for beginners, so I thought of just drawing some simple butterflies. Okay. Bottom part also the same color. Okay, let it dry. After that we can give some decorations. It's just a fun painting, so nothing compare, you don't have to compare it with a real butterfly. So now I am going to color the center with black. So here I am using my zero brush for this. Okay, now I'm going to my second butterfly. Here I am using my 5 round brush, and now I have taken my pale purple and pale purple mixed with Prussian blue color. So I got this color, and now I am going to color to this one here, the bottom one. You can use any color, the only thing is it must look more darker than the background color. It should be more vibrant than the background color. Then only your butterfly would look beautiful or appealing. So now I'm going to color the center, some black. Don't have to compare it to a real butterfly, it's just for fun. Beginner friendly painting. So okay, and now I am going to take some violet. Okay, some violet color. I'm just going to mix it with black. So, and now I am going to paint the center, the black color. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, it's fine. Okay. So I am sorry. Now I am going to give some beautiful dots, just simple ones, using my lemon yellow color. Just some dots on the wings. If you just want to make it a plain wings, that's okay, you can do that. Do as you wish. And just decorate your butterfly according to your imagination, using different colors. Okay. Now I'm going to take my orange, not orange, it's medium yellow. Sorry, it's medium yellow, and I have just mixed it with that lemon yellow. Just the same, give some. Just press your brush. Okay. Okay. I just took my black color and I am going to define the wings. To notice that separation. So I am going to outline with my black color. A little bit of water would be nice in order for your brush to move smoothly. Bit of water in your brush, so it will be more easy for you to move your brush. Okay, that's it. If you have any highlighter pen or Posca markers or any other markers, you can decorate your butterfly. So if you have any Posca markers or any other markers or any highlighting pen, you can decorate your butterfly using that. So here I am only using the paint. You can use any markers or any other pen. So now I am going to give some decorations to the other butterfly. Here I am going to take white paint, just only white paint, same as done earlier. I like to give dots, so I am very fond of giving dots always. So just giving some dots, nothing more than that. So as done earlier, I am going to outline. So here also Okay. So and now I'm going to the next butterfly. So now for this I'm going to take the peach like or nude color and just moving my brush okay. The same as done earlier. Just outline. So you can use any other dark color to define the wings, but I just want to, I think it would be black, looks more good, so I'm just using black. Okay, that's it. Simple and very easy. If you want, you can add any white dots. I'm just adding some dots. Okay, just do as your imagination. Okay, yes. So this is a very easy painting for beginners, a simple one, and doesn't take much time. And the sketchbook is of 440 GSM, and I have made this sketchbook. This is my first attempt, and I am not that much happy with my making. So here is your very simple and super easy painting using gouache. So hope you all like it. See you in the next video. Bye.